And we say good morning to you as we go right to video from overnight that shows the snow that hit downtown Cleveland. And while this may not look that impressive to you, let me tell you something. The wind is what's impressive, and we are covering it all for you this morning. Thank you for waking up with us here on Go. I'm Danita Harris.
And I'm Dave Chudowski. Senior meteorologist Matt Wintz told us we would be waking up to snow today. And overnight, we actually had snow squall warnings. That's something we don't see too often, Matt.
Yeah, it was that burst with that Arctic front we were talking about, with that burst of heavy snow, 50-mile-per-hour winds. We even had thunder snow last night as that Arctic front was moving through. And this morning, we've got our own problems. We've got a weather impact alert day all day today. We've been telling you about this for the last 5 or 6 days. Snow and strong wind allow extra time. If you do not have to go to work this morning and you can maybe delay whatever you have to do, I would do that because it is nasty underneath these lake effect snow bands. In terms of the watches and warnings, lake snow warnings, winter weather advisories. What you care about is the radar, so let's get to it. We've got a heavy band of snow that is now pushing off the lake. This is not just snow. We've got graupel, or those little Dippin' Dot balls, falling within this, showing we have signs of good convection or good lift within this. This is putting down a quick coating to an inch on area roadways. Elyria, you're getting the snow. That band stretches through North Olmsted, Berea, Strongsville, Broadview Heights. Parma, you're in it. We've got real heavy snow right now heading into Twinsburg, around Northfield. Eventually getting into the Hudson area here shortly. Aurora over towards Streetsboro dealing with snow. We've got another band of snow up from Menor stretching into Chardon into Hamden Township. That heads over into Hartsgrove, eventually into Orwell, and then more scattered snow, but still coming down pretty good out in Ashtabula County. This is all behind that Arctic front that moved through. You can see we've got another little band coming off the lake that will help to reorient some of this snow into more of a northwest fashion as we go throughout the morning. But this is behind the Arctic front, and the cold is here. Temperatures are in the 20s. That doesn't matter because we have a powerful wind as expected. We've had sustained numbers around 45 downtown, gusts to 55 in the last 15 minutes. It is blowing that snow around, making it almost near impossible to drive in spots here this morning. And we've got wind chill values, if you're not dealing with the snow, in the single digits. So your forecast today, the snow continues. It will be heavy in some of those bands. Outside of that, it'll just be windy and cold. High temperatures struggling to hit 30. Coming up in the forecast, we'll highlight how much snow we get and when this winds down, coming up in just a few minutes. Isabel?
All right, Matt, thank you so much. Yeah, the roads are messy this morning. Want to start off with some more of that downtown video. Look at this. Traffic lights were out when our crews were coming in early this morning in areas like East 9th. We saw them out in Ohio City, sections of the Shoreway when you're passing near Brown Stadium. So please use caution and be aware that these lights may still be out for your morning commute. Now I want to go ahead and switch things up, take a live look at our traffic cameras here. This is I-90 at Kenilworth. This camera was shaking earlier. Like Matt was mentioning, the wind is really going to be a huge factor in your morning drive. You need those hands firmly on the wheel. No distractions here. You can see the roads have been cleared, but again, they are slushy, they are slick, and they are messy. Going to give you a look at our wider map because I'm already seeing some accidents, unfortunately. Another one just popped up here just moments ago. I'll show you two of them. I-90 eastbound to exit 173B, US 322. That is Chester Avenue. And all over this map, you're seeing yellow and orange already. It is very early in the morning for that. Another crash here, Store Avenue at Fulton Road. On top of these, we're seeing parking bans here like in Cleveland, stopping, standing, parking. Banned on city streets with those posted red and white signs. No parking on city streets that are designated as a through street or a highway. And a similar situation in Paynesville as well. Make sure you're checking in with your local governments here, cities, municipalities, to see where your parking bans are in effect.
All right, Isabel, thank you. We're going to get right to our team coverage now. Danita, I feel like we can hear the wind outside right now.
We definitely hear it here in the studio. We sent Candace Hare out to East 55th Street. She's there right now. And Candace, yep, I hear the wind and I see the wind whipping around you.
Yeah, you can hear it, you can see it, you can feel it out here. Certainly, it doesn't matter how many layers that you have on when you're down here by the Shoreway because you feel it ripping through your clothes. But I want to give you a look here off to the side. My photojournalist, Mark, he has put up a light to hopefully give a little bit of a more visual view of what this wind is looking like. It's coming in from the west onto the lake. and it's really picked up in the last 20 minutes or so. Conditions out here have really deteriorated, and that wind coming in so strong that there actually aren't crazy waves on the lake anymore because of the direction the wind is coming in. Enough precipitation out here that really visibility has gone down significantly at this stage, but it's that wind. You see it, you feel it. It's hard to even stand up, even talk, even breathe. So like they've been saying, if you can avoid maybe having to go out early in the morning, that would be a good thing right now. Back to you.
I even see how you're standing, Candace, with your legs spread open a little bit, just trying to brace yourself there. You stay safe. Get back in the car until we talk to you again. Thank you.
And as you heard Matt say, more snow hitting the snow belt, which already got slammed. David Greenberg has been driving through it all this morning, not actually driving, but as a passenger. How's it looking out there for you, buddy?
Yeah, Dave. Well, we're currently on Mayfield Road right now. And I can tell you this, it is not really all that plowed out. They've been salting and trying to hope that that will do the job. But right now, as you can see, road conditions really not all that good here. Very slushy, very wet, and I'll tell you what, I mean, you know, you saw it just a couple minutes ago with Candace, but yes, the wind is howling out here, and as the snow continues to come down, you get those gusts that Matt was talking about, those really strong gusts, and it just picks up whatever it has on the ground and really makes for those whiteout conditions in certain spots. I do also want to let you know that a little bit ago, we did see a semi truck that had been spun out in the middle lanes, or not in the middle lanes, in the grass area on 271 South a little bit earlier. So conditions are really tough to see, and as you can see right now, you know, as the snow continues to come down, there's really no right lane here. There's just sort of half of a left lane. So we're definitely taking it nice and slow out here, and highly recommend that you all do the same if you're heading out to go to work or take the kids to school if they have school this morning. So just make
All right, visual proof there from David Greenberg. Thank you. And as a reminder, you can get the latest weather impact alerts, stories, and more on our website, WKYC.com, and on our WKYC app.